Hey y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing this 26-inch body wave gold sand highlighted wig that I received from Arabella hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace front wig. The unit already came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I already added my foundation to the lace off camera, but do y'all see how good this lace look? First thing that I'm doing is cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with the Ebin firm hold spray, and I'm applying 1 layer of that spray. For a stronger hold, I would suggest going in with a lace glue. Once the adhesive spray is nice and tacky, I'm going to go in and lay the lace down. I like to make sure that the hairline on the lace is laid directly on top of where I applied my spray or glue. And to dry the spray, I'm going in with my blow dryer on a cool to medium heat setting. You want to apply those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Don't forget to cut the ear tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly lay down. I would suggest this step before applying your glue so that your glue or spray doesn't dry up before you lay the lace down. To cut my lace, I'm going in with my Kiss razor. I like to cut my lace in sections because it really helps me to really take my time when I'm cutting the lace, and it helps me to pay attention to the small details as well. Now that our lace is cut off, I'm going back in with my Ebin firm hold spray, and I'm just applying that spray to the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. This step will also help take away that light tint on the lace before applying your foundation. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now I'm going in with my hot comb on the hottest heat setting to flatten my wig, and I like to flatten my wig section by section when I want that nice flat foundation. Towards the top of the wig, I decided to go in with my Carrot Care wax stick to take away the flyaways and help flatten down the top as well. I'm pulling out a thin layer of hair from my baby hairs because I want to go for a natural look, which is also why I'm going in with my tweezers and I'm plucking the baby hairs until it looks thinner. I'm using my Kiss razor to cut the baby hairs, then I'm going to go in with my edge flat iron and curl the baby hairs to give it that fluffy look. To style my edges today, I'm going in with the Nairobi foam. I'm using the Ebin Wig Knots concealer in the color Natural Beige to enhance my parting space. Now it's time to get into styling this wig, and I decided that I wanted to use my curling iron to add some curls to this hair. The product that I sprayed on my hair to hold the curls is called Sebastian Hairspray. Now that the wig is curled, I went in to cut some layers in the hair because what is a curled wig without layers? It just adds volume and just more personality to the wig. Now I'm just adding the finishing touches to this wig, so I went back in with my hot comb just to flatten it down a little bit more. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and just push the center of the hair just to give it more volume in that area. Here we have the final look for this wig, and I am very impressed with the outcome. What I really like about this unit is the highlights. I love this dark / like golden sand blonde highlight type of color. I feel like this color contrast is very nice. I like how it's not too much of the highlights, but you can definitely still see that it's highlights in there. When it comes to Arabella hair, I typically like their hair because of two important factors. The first would be the quality of the hair. I feel like their hair is always soft and it just has that nice, shiny, luxurious look to it that I love. The second thing is the density. I can always count on Arabella hair to have nice, thick density when it comes to their wigs. And the fact that this colored highlighted wig still has nice, full density says a lot. The parting space was nice and deep. The lace was definitely HD, and I did not have to pluck or bleach this wig. So I'm definitely satisfied with the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.